Hi guys, welcome back to Street Cred PH. It's me again, your boy Eds. So I'm actually pre-recording this video right now. Today is February 8th, Saturday. So wala pa yung shirt na in-order natin. Siguro next week pa yung dating niya kasi kaka-finalize ko lang sa kanya 2 days ago. And then kakaship lang niya kahapon. So by next week ang dating nun. So if you remember last episode, kung na-miss nyo yung episode 3, nagkaroon ako ng giveaway, shirt giveaway. So para sa mga nakamiss nung episode na yon, you can watch this clip right here. So mamimili ako ng 2 lucky winners. So paano ba manalo? Simple lang. Una, kailangan subscriber kita. So, kung hindi pa, subscribe ka. Pangalawa, kailangan mo lang i-share sa Facebook itong video na to. So, don't forget, kailangan naka-public yung setting para kitang-kita. And last but not the least, mag-comment ka lang sa YouTube video ko na to ng done space hashtag streetcredph. Yun lang. Ganun lang simple. Yan. So, now that you have watched the clip and explain ko naman yung mechanics, so 3 things to do. Number 1 is to subscribe into my channel. Number 2 is to share the video on Facebook. And number 3 is by commenting the word done space hashtag streetcredph dun sa mismong video, sa YouTube video. So, nakapili na ako. Meron tayong winners. And papakita ko sa inyo kung sino-sino sila. Take a look. So, what I did was to check all my subscribers. Now, if you notice, nakalagay dyan, recent subscribers last 28 days. Okay lang yan since yung oldest upload ko naman is just 3 weeks ago. So, wala pang isang buwan. Ngayon, if you notice, parang kukonti yung nalabas sa subscribers kasi naging problema yan ng isang friend ko. Ang nangyari kasi, naka-private yung subscription. So, pag nag-subscribe ka sa akin, hindi siya mag-a-appear sa end ko. So, sorry sa mga naka-private. So, next, ginawa ko, kinross-reference ko yung mga nakasubscribe. Doon naman sa mga nag-comment ng done space hashtag streetcredph, and ayan yung resulta. Sila yung mga qualified for round 2. Sayang lang yung kay Krisha Sumagaysay. It was just 2 days ago. So ngayon Saturday, so ibig sabihin Friday lang niya na-send. Sayang kasi ang cut-off natin is Tuesday midnight. Anyway, next time. So yun, next step ginawa ko is to check one by one kung na-share ba nila sa page nila yung video natin. Kasi pag nag-search lang ako sa search engine ng unboxing secret fresh, normally nalabas lang yung mga friends ko sa Facebook eh. Tapos so ginawa ko yun, isa-isa ko na lang sila, inanap ko sila by name. And then there you go, we have 6 qualified entries. So lastly, to be fair, gumamit ako ng randomizer to determine the winners, and let's watch. So in this point, sobrang natuwa ako. So I decided to spin another one for a third winner. Yeah. So, congratulations again to all the winners. Ibari PH, aka Dayan Concepcion / Ilade, Renzul Calano, and Daddy Longlegs 1283, aka Joshua Tangwangko. Congratulations, guys, and for those 3 na apparently hindi nanalo ng shirts, as much as I would like to give you a shirt as well, but I don't have a budget for that, but naisip ko, since 6 lang kayo in total na nag-join, half yung nanalo, bakit hindi na rin manalo yung half? So here's a consolation prize if you want. Just look me up on Facebook and then send me a message, and siguro 100 peso load would be fair, right? I can send you that. That's for Angela Mangibat, aka Lenovo A6000, Cherry Ongmong, and Dane Leslie Bughaw. So if you guys want 100 peso load, just send me a message. So again, congratulations to all the winners ng shirts. Kontakin ko kayo paano nyo ma-claim, and then paano ko i-ship pala. Let me know. And next clip, unboxing na. So dumating na yung package, yung new shirt natin. Andito na siya. And kung mapapansin nyo, nakabukas na. Hindi naman siya ng daya, no? Kaya ko siya binuksan kasi chinek ko kung tama yung laman ng shirt sa loob. Para of course, kung may kulang, mai-report natin agad dun sa clothing line. Pero kumpleto naman siya, sakto yung mga orders. So this is a shirt from KLWKN Clothing. So this one's mine. So kung makita nyo, may stickers pa siya. By the way, gusto ko lang din sana ipakita sa inyo yung shirts ng mga nanalo. So here we have, ito yung kay Joshua Tangwangko. Ito yung para kay Renzul Calano. And this one's for Dayan Concepcion Ilate. So ayan, pare-parehas naman kami ng shirt designs. Alright, so let's go ahead and open na natin. Oops. So may kasama siyang stickers per shirt. So one shirt has actually 4 stickers. KLWKN stickers. Tapos naka-ziplock siya. Cool. Parang sa push. So ito yung pinaka-shirt natin. May tag pa siya. And here, KLWKN. This is not for the faint-hearted. Yeah. Okay, so tingnan na natin siya. Up close. Okay, so yan, nakita nyo up close yung pagkaka-print ng KLWKN. Sana nagustuhan nyo, kasi ako gusto ko siya. Ang ganda ng pagkaka-fit niya. Meron lang pala akong gusto sabihin sa inyo, pro tip. So, matagal na ako naglalurk sa page ng Kalawakan. Ang dami kasi nila magagandang designs. By the way, kung gusto nyo i-check, na sa Facebook sila. It just so happened nung mag-order na ako, ang dami ng sold out na designs. So, yun kasi, that's one thing about local streetwear culture. What they normally do is they will produce certain number of designs per month. Ipiprint nila yon, ibebenta nila. And then, once na ma-sold out yon, wala na. Yun yung kagandahan nun. Yung uniqueness. Kumbaga, assured ka na iilan lang kayo na meron ng design na yun. But at the same time, yun nga, kung naging kagaya ko, check lang ako ng check, di pa ako nag-purchase, ayun, naubusan ako. So, yun lang yung tip ko. Pag may nagustuhan kayo, bilhin nyo na agad. So, yun lang. Yun lang naman for me, for this episode. So, like the usual, like, share, and subscribe. And plug ko na rin sana yung Facebook page ko, kakagawa ko lang. Paki-follow nyo na lang ako. Lalagay ko sa description below yung link. Para doon ko na lang i-upload yung mga videos moving forward instead na sa personal account ko sa Facebook. So, that's all for me. Thank you so much for joining. And until next episode. Thank you. Peace out.